Hey guys, so today I am super excited because we're gonna be trying out some of the new products that I've recently gotten, and I've also have a couple of other products that I've gotten that I just haven't tried yet, that I just have sitting around. Some of them are lipsticks from Lip & Co, as well as the Naked Smoky. We're not gonna do anything crazy. I want it to be like a very natural look, but still, I thought we would dip into it and see what we can do with it to make it look as natural as possible. So yeah, I'm really excited. If you like me testing out new products videos, give me a big old fat thumbs up and I'll do more of them. But yeah, let's just get into it because I'm super excited. So if you guys saw my haul, a lot of these products are from the haul. The foundations, I've done first impressions, or you're gonna get a first impressions video. So that's coming up, but I haven't tried any of the other products. So the first thing I did want to try out is this Physicians Formula. Let me bring you guys in so you can get a little bit closer. Okay, so the first things first, I found my headband. I can't find my one with the puffs on it. I'm guessing it's back in Arizona, and I need to, like, we're gonna have a moving truck like grab all of our stuff at some point. First thing I want to try is this Physicians Formula Rose All Day Oil-Free Serum. Okay, so it's going to brighten and tighten the skin. I haven't used it. I haven't even smelled it. It says it's oil-free, it's pearl-lumescent formula, helps tighten and brighten skin for a radiant glow, enriched with rose water to help soothe, calm, and hydrate the skin, formulated with antioxidant-rich goji and kakadu plum, the richest vitamin C source of any fruit, can be used alone, under or over makeup. So whenever you're not wearing makeup, you can definitely use this, or underneath your makeup, or over your makeup, I'm guessing as a highlight maybe. I don't know, I haven't even, let's smell this. It smells like roses, but it doesn't smell like rose perfume. It smells like actual rose petals. That's what it smells like. Okay, so I have nothing on my face except for my moisturizer, and I just use, why can I never remember the oil that I use to moisturize? I can never remember. Wow, it definitely looks very pearly. Can you see that? All right, so let's put it on. Definitely smells like real roses, so at least it's not obnoxious, like fragrancy smell. It actually smells like if I were to go smell some roses. I actually am surprised. I thought this was gonna dry kind of like alcohol and make my skin feel tight, but it's not. It feels really nice. Wow. Feels, and it left my skin feeling tacky, which can be good for foundation. Okay, well, it feels nice so far. Okay, and I did get a primer to go on top. I'm definitely gonna use that just by itself as a primer at some point. But right now, this is the primer that I forgot to show you guys in that haul. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer in Dewy. And they totally ripped me off on product. It, like, the product starts like right here. Anyways, let's try this primer out. Oh. It has a color to it. It's not just a white primer. I didn't see that coming. So the foundation, this one also has a very pearly, like a champagne-y pearly, and it's mixing with the pink, and I can see it on my skin. Like, I can see the pearliness on my skin. Interesting. It's not glittery, it's pearly. Can you guys see a difference in the camera, like how glowy it looks? And it's tacky too, so it's really good. I love tacky primers to make foundation last. Okay, so foundation I'm gonna use is the Physicians Formula. I've done a first impressions, that's probably coming up next. But this one is too light for me. I got the shade MC1, not to mention I messed up and got MC, which is medium cool one instead of medium warm. I'm definitely warm. So I'm gonna mix this with a super warm and a darker foundation. This is 2.1 Y from Ordinary. I'm gonna mix these. I did it last time and it worked out so well that I'm gonna do it again. Can you see the difference in those colors? Okay, so let's mix this around. And this is the color I am now. Perfect. So I use castor oil to moisturize my skin, and I've been doing that since I had that like crazy breakout last year where like my skin was just breaking out at everything. Like I felt like I was in high school again. Like it was, my skin was just being so crazy. I started using castor oil as my moisturizer and it totally changed my skin. Like my skin is super soft to the touch now. So soft. I know not all castor oil is the same though, and you could definitely have allergic reaction just with like with any other oil, and you have to make sure to get, like I got the organic pure 100%, the one that's good for skin. See how light this foundation is compared to the color that I actually am supposed to be? So light. So I definitely would get like MW2 is probably what I would get. So if you're my foundation shade, you can even look down below. I have it in like every video. Maybe look at MW2, maybe 1. Compare the two, see how dark it is. All right, so these are the two concealers I'm going to use. So it's the Revolution in C8 and C6. C8 is just more my skin shade. And C6 is to highlight with, which I would even go with a C7 to highlight with because the C6 is bright. So calm and peaceful in the house when my kids are with my husband. I never... Okay, so I also have this Mega Glow Hello Halo Wet n Wild Illuminator. So we're gonna put that on before I put on powder, and then I'll powder this. I'm just putting it on in the back of my hand and we'll use the sponge. Oh, I didn't blend out my concealer. I was wondering why that looked weird right there. All right, once we powder, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna powder underneath my eyes with the RCMA and then all over the face with the Wet n Wild pressed powder. It is my favorite. Yeah, that highlight looks weird on top of my skin. It looks like it bunched up. It's kind of odd. You can definitely see it sitting on top of the skin. It just looks really odd. No. All right, it's okay. All right, so this is the new Wet n, it's not new, but it's the contour palette, Dulce de Leche. You guys know I love this stuff. I haven't used it in a while, so let's use it today to contour. It's super powdery. Look at that, how the powder just... This is a really like light, like thin powder. So I always break this. I have to be super careful with it because it's such a like light, thin powder. So I'm pretty much almost done pre-recording videos. So when I have the baby, you guys still have videos coming from me. Pretty exciting. So I'm really proud of myself at this point. Okay, let's just go straight. We don't have any sort of blush. So let's see, I'm thinking we're just gonna take out the apricot in the middle blush. Good old Wet n Wild blush. Very light. All right, can you see better that highlight? It's like bunched up right here. Whenever I put this spray on top, maybe it'll be better. Urban Decay Naked Smoky. I got this, I had to. I love smoky eyes. And we're gonna try it. I've kind of swatched them, but they're absolutely gorgeous. And we're gonna try them today. I love the packaging. Can I just say, like, I love this smoky. Oh, I love it so much. Okay. I love it because it's not necessarily like a cool smoky. It's like silver mixed with like the warm. So I kind of like that. So I think I'm probably gonna use these two in my crease, and we'll see kind of how it goes. And this is just a brush that it came with, which I think is super cute as well. All right, let's go into Whiskey. Let's try this brush out. Just lightly putting it in the crease, just so lightly. And then I'm gonna get into Combust, which is this one, on top, and I'm just blending it. I'm literally gonna do such a natural eye, which is what I usually do whenever. And then I'm gonna get 13, which is the slightest shade, and put it in the inner. I'm kind of into the thick brows again, can you tell? Like the bushy, thick. And I am gonna take Radar right underneath the lower lashes with this like awesome pencil brush. It's super stiff, but it doesn't hurt putting it on. Oh, that eyeshadow is super crumbly. I almost forgot, guys, something else that's new. Something else that's new that I want to try on is this LA Girl Line Art Matte Eyeliner in brown. It's not called brown, it's called Espresso. And I've been dying to try it out. Look at that point. So let's try it out. Let's do a tiny espresso size wing. Here. I love how teeny tiny the tip is. Look how little of a wing I was able to create. Oh my gosh, I'm loving that. I'm loving that so far, guys. All right, let's get some eyeliner up there. This is the NYX gel. So today we're going to Target to get some baby stuff, like when they come back from the gym. And my son's like, why can't we just go right now to the store? I said, well, you have to go to the gym and play, and I have to go get ready. And he's like, you do look ready. I'm like, well, I'm dressed, but I don't have my makeup on, you know, I have to find my other sock. I was missing a sock. So he's like, I come down to breakfast to help get their breakfast done and get my husband out the door before I come up here and film and do a video and get ready for the day. And my son comes up to me and he's like, so can we go to the store now? You have your lips on. Can we go to the store now? I'm like, my lips? He's like, yeah, your lips. You got color on your lips. You're done getting ready. Can we go? I'm like, I don't have color on my lips. These are just my natural lips. He's like, see, you don't need any. You don't need any lip color. I'm like, no, I'm gonna put on some lip color. I'm gonna put on some makeup. Chill out. He's just so funny how he's just like, when I say makeup, he thinks lipstick. What foundation are you guys interested in? High-end, drugstore, which one are you curious about that you think? This is the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal spray. Let's put it on and see how it goes. So it says it's a hydrating setting spray. It has a dewy finish. It says locks in makeup and hydrates, protects from polluting particles, moisture boosting. Never test on animals, made in the US. So let's see how the, oh, the mist is nice. Okay. Smells like flowers. Okay, so this is nice and soft that I actually would spray like at my face. Sometimes I have to spray up, but this one's nice and soft that I definitely would spray on my face. It's like a really fine mist. So last are these Lip & Co. Velvet Pout lipsticks. I recently did a post and I'm actually gonna swatch them on my Instagram, so you can check that out. I'll link it if I have already done it, but I have 3 different colors. So I have a nude color. This one's called Nearly Nude. I have a red. This one is called Audacious, and then I have this like Enchantress, which is like a deep like purpley color. And then this is what the red kind of looks like. I don't know. Let's try this one. So this one's Enchantress, so let's try it. It's pretty. And super smooth, super smooth. So comfortable without being oily or feel oily. It is a semi-matte. Okay, so this is kind of like the finished look, what ended up happening on my face. But the good thing about this is this can totally be like crazy, outrageous, bold with that lip, or you can take it off, put on a new lip, and it's perfect for every day, because it really is a really soft makeup look. I just look put together. But yeah, right now this thing totally let me down. It's such a letdown because I was so excited about these. Wet n Wild always does such a good job. I'm loving the lipstick. You'll see what I feel, how I feel about this. I still feel the same about this foundation as I did before. I'm liking, I like the spray so far. I think it's nice. The mist is fine. I just have to try it a couple more times. And I'm loving this as well as the primer. I think these are nice. These are really nice, and they gave me a little bit more glow where the foundation looks better than I feel like it would have looked. So I'm kind of digging this right now. So yeah, this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed joining me as we try out new products and we see how they work on the face and try it out. You guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. Make sure to come back because next week I'll have a whole new video. You'll see that first impressions on the foundation without me mixing it with another foundation. I don't like the combination of this and the Ordinary, but I like the color it gave me, but I don't like how it looks on the skin. It just looks weird. Maybe if I mix this with like a dewier foundation. Anyways, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to check out my Instagram if you want to see all the swatches on these Lip & Co. pouts. Go check it out because I did do a video there for you guys. But yeah, I guess that's it. I love you guys. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.